good, everyone? Today is August 3rd, 2024. It's a niche year, and I just want to record a little content for my YouTube. Today, I wanted to solve the LeetCode daily, and going forward, every day, I think I want to come back and just do the daily, but on camera, to kind of see progress. Fortunately, this LeetCode is an easy. The objective is to make two arrays equal by reversing subarrays. So the prompt is you were given two integer arrays of equal length, target and ARR. In one step, you can select any non-empty subarray of ARR and reverse it. You're allowed to make any number of steps. Return true if you can make ARR equal to target or false otherwise. So you can take any subarray of ARR and reverse it. Wow. So is a concept that if you have any number, so reversing is basically you could swap it, correct? Like the small subarray I could take as 2 and I could swap those numbers. So I can basically get any number to any position by doing that, which means all I have to check is that the elements of both arrays are the same and that um, there's a 1-for-1. So the idea is, let me set target to be sorted of target just so we can ensure um, it's in order, and I'm going to do the same thing with ARR. And I'm basically going to return target equals ARR. That was surprisingly straightforward. It's the important thing to note is that basically with the swap step you can swap any combination of even two elements, thereby you can arrive at any possible array using those elements. So as long as the same elements exist in target, you should be fine. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this was a good little first episode. I'll be back for more daily LeetCodes.